Hello guys, it is Shockless here today. We're here with another video, and today we're reacting to KSI's Earthquake feature Rice Gum. Apparently it's aimed mainly towards Behzinga, like a diss track, but also has other YouTubers in it. So let's get into this. Oh, it's got 1 million likes. Let's do this.
Yo, you know you fucked up, bro. You know you fucked up. You know? Tommy gun shit. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck if the woodchuck lives?
What does that mean though? Okay, I don't get that. So let's just carry on.
Like you, I'ma have fun with the nigga here done. You the woodchuck none. Think you a big man with a short dick, man. I'ma click, clack. I'ma tell her how I see it. Don't that bitch that makes slap. Turn you in a riff rap, nigga. I'm a killer with a red blade. YT, come on, live the spot when you get laid. You waste the time like a blood blade. Em and your mum never upgrade. Out for days and switch place. I fuck with face and no scope, then I hit a blaze. In the same room that we both know you can't afford. You need my shit, so paint the shit. Your content shit, your Twitch shit, you ground the shit. Find the hell up on it, nigga, gotta help save your shit. You really are pussy shit. Tell me, are you clean or bushy? Don't fuck with you or that dumb one Ohio nigga. I took aim and I pulled it.
He's aiming at Jake Paul now. I've not seen KSI have any beef with Jake Paul before, but he started off with Behzinga. Basically said that those are fat jokes, as I said in the other video, like it's what it is. And now he's talking about Ohio. It's just like one of the three. It's probably mostly Jake Paul, or it's either going to be Anthony or Chance.
The trigger. In the end, tell me who we bigger. Yeah, no, you nigga, cause I'm an 8-figure all-time pro. Not at the top, so you really don't know. Keep playing PUB. Only game I see winning, I'm an enemy. The third victory, the guarantee. Nah, you don't wanna battle me, so I'ma leave you in the dirt like a sesame. Whether you were not ready. Top heavy prick with a pump belly, Rob Kelly, whoa. You say that the diss and your king is the wise thing to do while I'm feeding.
Basically said that E is the king. There ain't much disses in that here, like, but it's actually a pretty decent song so far.
I'ma keep calling you fat cause that's all of the shit that I see. No, all 6 side boys headed cause the nigga was the man in the whole crew. Nigga in the room running words for the tunes that come with the secret. Earthquake. Yeah, see nigga move that earthquake. Yeah, see nigga lose it. Earthquake. Game over. You ain't ready for business.
Are you fat or you pregnant? Like a mix of a dyke and a feminist. Fat rolls on your stomach and your neck you rest. Cross-eyed run wheezy with the breast and shit. Everyone assignment is irrelevant. What views did you get before if heaven sent? KSI to her life, let's measure it. That's not. Y'all been this bitch ever since. How you so fat but your big is not? And you living in a house JJ done bought. I'ma wait till your weight is lost. Gonna live with your boobs like Megan from Drake and Josh. All the titles is aimed for me. Another diss track trend that was made for me. PewDiePie fell off, it's a shame to see.
Now you're going for the biggest YouTuber. Oh my. This is basically taking shots at like, all the big people and the sidemen. Took a shot at Jake Paul. Now taking shots at PewDiePie. Oh shit, man. This ain't just a diss track on one person, it's a diss track at everyone.
Yeah, his views ain't the same like he changed beliefs. Now they always hate on me, I don't listen, I'm too busy getting laid. Hawaiian necklace, I don't wanna talk about those Ohio bitches. Talk
Jake
shit,
Paul.
but they soft like Brian Griffin. Hey, pulling up to my house, that's a no-no. Come again, you can get the action like a go.
You don't know what happened, what you meant by that.
They soft like Brian Griffin. Hey,
But out to my house. Basically, I think it was Jake Paul, Chance and Anthony went up to Rice Gum's house and was like trying to start beef something like that. And after this video was like put up, apparently they met up in the street as well, but they would be included in this as well.
pulling up to my house, that's a no-no. Come again, you can get the action like a go. Jake, how you get dropped from your home show, trying so hard.
Yep, just aimed at Jake. Oh, they're going in, but like, and not at the same time, it's weaknesses, but it aimed at
Ride
everyone.
the wave like a rowboat, but you go flow. That's your girl? Yeah, you cut the wrong one like a dumb cop. Then come out the closet. While you wear the same shit every day like split.
And they're aiming at Nick Compton, the one that said in my city. Oh man, it's a good song overall. Not strong this is though.
All these niggas think that they can speak.
Still, I'm making more than them a week. These pussies on contract.
I trying to apply with a comeback. You think that the diss and your king is the wise thing to do while I'm feeding you? I'ma keep calling you fat cause that's all of the shit that I see. No, all 6 side boys headed cause the nigga was a man in the whole crew. Nigga in the room writing words for the tune cause I come with a 6 earthquake. Earthquake, yeah. See nigga move that earthquake. Yeah, earthquake, yeah. See nigga lose that earthquake. Earthquake, game over. You weren't ready for business, just jump you on the run fit.
I said during the video, that is more of like a song, like, but that's I still rate that, but it's kind of like Behzinga's one. It wasn't that strong, but it was like good rhythm and everything. But this is probably like the best song wise, but Many Minutes was like the best diss and all that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like. Make sure you get this video to 500 likes. Same rest of them. So me to do a diss track. Make sure you get to it. And peace.